In this video, we listed the 5 best camping cots that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Coleman Packaway Camping Cot. If you're on the hunt for an excellent all-around cot, it's hard to beat the Coleman Packaway Cot. This model is a cinch to set up and take down, taking only a few minutes with its mostly unibody construction. It offers tons of support for both back and side sleepers and doesn't have any bars across your head or feet to hit during the night. It folds up into a relatively compact form, isn't too heavy, and seems to be built very sturdily, though it definitely isn't made for backpacking. Our main issue with this cot is that it doesn't lock into the unfolded position. This was never an issue once it was set up, however, the legs tended to buckle if we found ourselves dragging it around the campsite. This meant it always warranted a little extra caution to make sure the legs were in the correct position before sitting down as well. It could also be a bit temperamental on uneven ground. Regardless, it's one of our all-time favorite sleeping solutions when camping, and we would highly recommend it to anyone who wants a top-tier cot. If you're seeking more features, we love the REDCAMP Cot 3, but it's less portable and costs more. Number 2. KingCamp Folding Camping Cot. If you want a great cot, but funds are tight, check out the KingCamp Folding Deluxe. In terms of folding or unfolding, this product is easily our favorite, usually only taking a minute or two to get the bed fully assembled. This lightweight cot is essentially the same form factor as a chair in a bag, with a similar folding mechanism. It has an integrated headrest, which is excellent for a nap on the beach or a great addition to a car camping setup. The KingCamp Folding Deluxe is plenty comfortable, but it's a bit on the narrow side and doesn't offer the same level of uniform support provided by other cots we have tried. The folding mechanism and overall constructions don't seem quite as heavy-duty as some of the other cots, and given our experience with folding chairs in a bag, we wouldn't be surprised if this isn't the most durable product out there. Nevertheless, when it comes to unpacking, it is by far the most convenient, and its low retail price makes it the perfect option for anyone shopping for a new cot on a budget. Number 3. TETON Sports Camping Cot. If you want the roomiest cot available, the TETON Sports Outfitter XXL Camp Cot, $180, is the best bang for your buck. With a whopping 81 inches from head to toe, a 41-inch width, and a 600-pound capacity, you could easily fit the average Sasquatch in it for a good night's sleep. Compared to average cots, that's a good 35% more sleeping real estate. If you don't know any Bigfoots, big feet, we also found it's great for larger folks or people who toss and turn in their sleep, as well as the bulky hunter types we typically find ourselves bunking with at elk camps. Smaller couples who are fond of cuddling will also appreciate the roomy platform it provides. The S-leg design is the first we've seen of its kind. The unique shape of these steel legs provides sturdiness and support. Plus, the brushed canvas is comfortable if you want to plop down on it for a midday nap. Number 4. Coleman Camping Cots. The Coleman Trailhead II Cot, $55, is spacious enough to fit sleepers over 6 feet tall and keeps all sleepers over a foot off the ground. The attached side pockets add a great touch of organization, holding your glasses, headlamp, and other smaller items. The rails are slightly elevated to add security and prevent sleepers from rolling off. The canvas is firm and supportive, and it has a frame sturdy enough to withstand you and your tent mates fighting over who gets to sleep in it. This cot's steel X-shaped frame and double stitching add durability, giving you years of use before breaking down. It folds up and stores in the included carry case, so it's easy to store and pack in the car. At a whopping 21 pounds, from the house to the car is definitely the furthest it will travel, as there's no way you'll want to carry this bad boy in your backpack. Number 5. KingCamp Camping Cot. The KingCamp Grey Cot is an oversized folding camping cot designed for optimal comfort and convenience during outdoor activities or home use. Ideal for individuals up to 6 feet 2 inches tall and supporting weights up to 264 pounds, It features a robust construction utilizing heavy-duty carbon steel with a symmetrical triangular structure and 10-point ground support for enhanced stability. Made from durable, breathable, and waterproof 1000D Oxford polyester, it incorporates a tilt angle design and a built-in cotton pad to minimize discomfort in the back, neck, and shoulders. The cot folds easily into a compact size suitable for transport, fitting into the included carry-in bag that can be stowed in most car trunks. With open dimensions of 74 inches long, 26 inches wide, and 18.9 inches tall and a lightweight profile of just 12.5 pounds, it also includes a multi-layer side pocket for convenient storage of essentials.